Get ready to rate the most popular candies. Will these candies be the best, just okay, or straight up trash? Let's see what you think. We have 50 questions and you have 7 seconds to answer them. Let's get started. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Skittles. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Kit Kat. Sour Patch Kids. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Snickers. Would you rather Reese's Peanut Butter Cups or Snickers? Lemon Heads. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Ferrero Rocher. Swedish Fish. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Toblerone. Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bar. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Bonus round. Would you rather like this video and subscribe our channel to join the ultimate quiz adventures, or reject the offer? Milky Way. Feastables. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Nerds. M&M's Milk Chocolate. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Pop Rocks. Butterfinger. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Pocky Chocolate. Three Musketeers. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Jolly Ranchers. Starburst. The best insane, good, okay, or trash? Would you rather M&M's Milk Chocolate or Starburst? Comment your answer. Warheads. Lindt chocolate truffles. The best insane good okay or trash? Toxic waste candy. Baby Ruth. The best insane good okay or trash? Tic Tac. Milka Alpine Milk Chocolate. The best insane good okay or trash? Haichu. Circus Peanuts. The best insane good okay or trash? Aero Bar. Twix. The best insane good okay or trash? Would you rather Twix or Warheads? Tootsie Roll. Airheads. The best insane good okay or trash? Raffaello Coconut Almond Treats. Gushers. The best insane good okay or trash? Push Pop. Charleston Chew. The best insane good okay or trash? Laffy Taffy. Reese's Pieces. The best insane good okay or trash? Mentos. Maltesers. The best insane good okay or trash? Would you rather Maltesers or Reese's Pieces? Crunch. Your Peppermint Patty. The best insane good okay or trash? Smarties. Candy corn. The best insane good okay or trash? Zot's fizzy candy. Oreo chocolate candy bar. Pixie sticks. The best insane good okay or trash? Peppermint bark. Crybaby extra star bubble gum. The best insane good okay or trash? Hot tamales. Would you rather hot tamales or candy corn? The best insane good okay or trash? Are you ready for your next adventure? Select your next challenge and dive in. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more.